What's going on, guys? It's Fitz back here with another video. We brought the Skyline out, and of course there's another Skyline. So today we are lowering Hunter's, what is this, a GS330? 400? Flexing with the 400. They have spent 40 minutes getting it on jack stands. We're getting ready to take this thing apart and not put it back together correctly. So let's see what we can do. All right, before we start with the install, I'm gonna walk around and show you guys everybody's cars. So shitbox number one, my Skyline. STI swapped Forester, which is absolutely sick. On the come up from a Civic. We got the Oddhons and the Achilles on this thing. That's about it. He's gonna lower it. I promise it's STI swap, and I also promise it would be faster than my car. Here's Hunter's Subaru that you guys probably have not seen in a while. Bagged on some wheels, doesn't matter, it looks good. And then Phillips Skyline, which makes me wish I had a stock body. I'm telling you this right now. Oh, dude, this is my first time seeing his exhaust. That thing is fat. Oh my god. But yeah, super clean car. You should lower it a little bit, Philip, if you're watching this. And then the GS400. So he's wanted a big body for a while. Finally sent it. And then he's got some Megan coilovers. Easy street racing. Look at these. I can't wait to see how much smaller these are than the stock struts, but this will be exciting. So let's just get into it. Is that an exhaust leak, bro? I asked him, I said, will you do a pull for the vlog? I'll show you guys this real quick. These stock strut shocks, or whatever they're called, are absolutely massive compared to the coilovers. So that's quick. It sounds good as hell. So So I thought I would do a little walk around. We're disconnecting like the bottom of the thing that holds on to the bottom of the rotor. All those bolts on the inside are off. And then we're trying to get this little sway bar link. Hold on, where'd it go? Back there. We're trying to get that thing off. We should be able to pull it out from there, but we got this coil in. Putting them in took like, 10 minutes. So that was great. Oh, we still got to tighten these top bolts. Actually, sorry. Got to tighten the top bolts. Those are almost done. And then he's almost done with this side. Check out the fronts. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm super excited to see this thing on the ground. These wheels aren't ideal, at least in my opinion. They're a little big. They're a little too much chrome. But let's move on to the front. You ready for this, Hunter? You think so? Okay, looking like lowered, they don't look that bad, the wheels.
They don't look bad. Not a fan of them still. Not bad.
Yeah. Well, let's see what they look like on the ground. How do we lower this thing?
We got 4 jack stands to take down. 3 jack stands.
3 jack stands. By the way, I think I'm just gonna time lapse like the whole front. It's not just us jacking up the car for the next like 3 hours. So after a couple failed attempts with the original jack, we got the good old twisty jack. Really? Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Is it hitting at all? Is it stuck on the jack right now?
No.
Dude, I like the wheels now.
Yeah, they fit. They actually fit. My fingers are stuck though.
You lying.
Ow.
Dude, this looks insane. As you can see, it's a lot darker now. I have my hoodie on and it's still on a jack stand. We ran to AutoZone, grabbed a ball joint separator, Still couldn't get this top bolt off. We tried disconnecting other stuff down there, but we just couldn't get it to come apart. We're just gonna leave this here tonight. I think he's gonna work on it tomorrow, so that should be fun. We'll see y'all in a little bit. What's up? It's like 1 in the morning right now, and I have work in 7 hours. I'm working on, by the way, we went to the meet. I cannot go to sleep with my hood fitment, like, you know, raised. So this side, I've pretty much fixed. I can't do much about that gap right now, but it was raised before. On this side, it is still very raised right there. So what I did on that side is I made a spacer out of an old bushing, lifted the fender up, and then this hood pin is like as low as it can go. So I need to mess with the fender fitment now. So I'm gonna just set up a time lapse for you guys and enjoy. That's really close. 10 times better than I had it before, for sure. I'm definitely happy with this. Let me walk around and show you guys the front here. That gap is very even going up the side of the car. That gap is too. Let's see. That's very close too for an aftermarket fiberglass hood. And if you guys know anything about fiberglass, it's that it does not. It has been a long day for sure. I got up 10:30 after going to sleep, probably a little bit later than I should have. Helped Hunter all day with suspension. Working on cars takes a lot out of you, a lot out of you mentally and physically too. I'm not built, obviously, and can't tell you the last time I exercised. I should probably get on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm starting to upload more. I hope you guys can see that. And I am still uploading one video every Friday at 10 a.m. I am uploading a couple times throughout the week as well. So what's up? It's the next day. I really need to get more mechanically inclined here because we had Carmelo come over. Well, Hunter did. And how long did it take you to put in the fronts, Carmelo? Like 30 minutes? Dude, look at this. Just tossed them right in. By the way, these are like half the size of the stock ones again. But what we're gonna do is swap over the wheels from his Subaru onto this one because, what, are the fronts too big? The fronts are way too big? Okay, just eating the fender up. We're gonna swap these things over and then I'll show you guys after. I'm sorry I'm a bad YouTuber here. We just cross-threaded, well, this was cross-threaded. This feels like it's I'm assuming from the shop. Hey, dude, snap it off, dude. Do it for the vlog. Dude, snap it off, snap it off, snap it off, snap it off. Snap it off, Danny. Snap it off, dude. This is warm as hell. Here you go. Sick. Dude, they like NASCAR'd your lugs on.
They sure did.
Yeah.
Fucking Mr. Tire, man.
Well, you have two bolts, two lugs that can hold the wheels, so you can put those over there and then daily that one.
Okay. Well, okay, these are across from each other, so you should be able to run 3.
This one's definitely cross-threaded again.
Yeah. It looks like it. I mean, keep sending it. I mean,
send it, dude.
In my opinion.
It's gonna snap, bro. Holy fuck.
Thanks, Mr. Tire.
Now, another reason to not drive.
Dude, your e-brake is moving. Oh, there it goes.
There it is.
Let's go, bud.
Hey, you get the studs, I'll replace them.
No,
dude, that's warm.
It can't be on the ground with no studs.
No, it has two
so
bottom
good.
studs.
Oh, true.
True.
That's what I was doing.
Oh, it's just the bottom ones.
The bottom one's already loose. Oh, did you already have a broken stud?
No, I just have a stud that doesn't have a nut in it.
That one should be loose. That one should be loose too.
I'll update you guys if we get this off. Yeah, this is the first wheel. We are getting ready to go to dinner. His brake line is almost disconnected. I'm letting my car warm up, and he low now. I'm gonna use this as a thumbnail. Perfect. All right, see y'all in a minute. We're out here at the taco truck. We're at the taco truck. For some reason, we all have white cars. So Danny's IS, the Skyline. Wait, Hunter, let me see this thing. Oh
Dude, look right here.
my God.
Yeah, it's already running.
It's already.
Dude, it's settled so much
That's touching.
since, oh my God. And then the STI swap, which is sick. We out here though. We really out here. Oh my God. Alright, we're gonna get some tacos, chill, hang out, and yeah, talk to y'all in a little bit. Yo, Hunter.
Right there. See? That's like, that's
Fuck
touching.
yeah.
I think a 3/4
Y'all,
will also fit in.
This is our buddy Jeremy's car. Look at these taillights. If you guys want something built, hit him up. I'll put his Instagram in the bio below. But what are these, like 14 wides?
13 and a half.
13 and a half? Yeah, it is kind of dark. Let's see. So here's the meat. Oh my God. What size tire are you running?
275.
Easter Donnied on 275. It's a work in progress right now, but he just got the fitment set up to be fender to lip in the back and tucking in the front. He's on air, but it won't air back up. Just thought I would show you guys that, and then we're heading out to another meet. All right, so we made it like 2 minutes. No, we made it like 20 minutes to the taco truck, and then like 2 minutes from the taco truck. And what happened?
I buckled the fender.
Dude, it's a flex. Oh, this looks 10 times better than it did before, but yeah, so this is what we're doing right now. We're still heading out to the meet after, but this is what we're doing. I love all the white cars though. That's so sick to have matching cars. My turn to get wheels and low though, for sure.